Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn and seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. You can use any color of yarn and any crochet hook and any seed beads. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet. I will begin from the foundation chain, make a chain of 11. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The foundation chain is ready. Continue. Make a chain to bring up the yarn. Instead of first double crochet, insert the hook into the third chain stitch away from the hook and make single crochet. And make single crochet into each stitch of the foundation chain. In total it should be 10 of them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I am done 10 single crochet plus 1 chain stitch to bring up the yarn instead of first double crochet. Let's crochet row 2. Make chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Turn the work. Draw seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Yarn over the hook twice. Yarn over the hook first time, then yarn over the hook with seed bead. Like this. I take the first row, I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, then pull through first loop with seed bead, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops twice. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the thread, insert the hook into the next stitch, grab the working yarn, pull it through and make double crochet. Insert the hook into the same thread, insert the hook into the next stitch and make the third double crochet. My unusual stitch is ready. Here how it looks. Let's repeat one more time. Yarn over the hook and yarn over the hook with seed bead. Insert the hook into the stitch. Grab the working yarn, pull it through the stitch and through the thread and make double crochet. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the thread and through the next stitch. Make double crochet the second time and the third time. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the thread and through the stitch and make double crochet. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. I just need to do one more time. Let's do it. Yarn over the hook, then yarn over the hook with seed bead. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Grab the yarn, pull it through the stitch and through the thread. Then make double crochet. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the thread and into the next stitch. Make double crochet. the second time, then double crochet into the third time, and make double crochet. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the stitch, make double crochet. My row is ready. Here how it looks. This is the second row. Pattern consists of 2 rows. Next time you will see how to crochet the next rows. Next row will be a row of single crochet stitches. I continue working. Make a chain and turn the work. It is going to be row 3. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10th one will be made into the third chain stitch on the beginning of the previous round. Well done. 1, 2, 3 chains to bring up the yarn and turn the work. Let's crochet unique stitches. Draw seed beads that I threaded before. Yarn over the hook, then yarn over the hook with seed bead. Insert the hook into the second stitch. Grab the working yarn, pull it through the stitch and throw the yarn over. Pull through 2 loops twice to complete double crochet. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the thread and through the next stitch. Grab the working yarn, pull it through, and make double crochet. And make double crochet. First one is ready. Here how it looks. Let's crochet the next one. Yarn over the hook twice. Work with the second one with seed bead. Insert the hook through the next stitch. Take the working yarn, pull it through the stitch and through the thread, and make double crochet. Then double crochet 2 more times. 1, and make the second one. Like this. It is very easy to make. Yarn over the hook and yarn over the hook with seed bead. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Grab the working yarn, pull it through the stitch and through the thread and make double crochet. Then 2 more double crochet. 1, and 2. In total it should be 3 of them. And make the last double crochet into the chain stitch on the beginning of the previous row. Make double crochet. My row is ready. Here how it looks. Let's crochet row 5. It is going to be a row of single crochet stitches. Pattern consists of 2 rows. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the second stitch. Make single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And make the last single crochet into the third chain stitch. Chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Let's repeat my unique stitches. I will repeat one more stitch and you should continue working with your own. Yarn over the hook 1 and yarn over the hook the second time with seed bead. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, grab the working yarn, pull it through the stitch and through the thread with bead and make double crochet. Then 2 more double crochet, 1 and 2, and so on. So keep working this way till the end of this row, then you should repeat as many times as you need for your project. Then I will show you how to complete it. Here how it looks in white color of yarn. The last row was a row of single crochet stitches, and for finishing you should secure the yarn by making a chain. You should leave a long piece of yarn to sew your accessories for jewelry, to create bracelet, necklace or choker or belt. This is my own stitch pattern I created recently for you. This is the back side of the project. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use it. You can use it like a belt, bracelet, or it could be main part in big project, or also you can use for phone cases. It depends on your experience, you can use it anywhere. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. You can use it like a trim. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Please visit the description and find a lot of useful links. See you next time and bye!